Binize 7-inch double-in MP5 player, clear page design for CarPlay, Android Auto, and MirrorLink. After connecting your phone correctly, then you will get the classical CarPlay page. CarPlay phone calling, CarPlay accurate online navigation, CarPlay lossless music playing. Classical Android Auto page. After connecting your Android phone correctly, you will get the Android Auto phone calling page, accurate online navigation. With Binize capability touchscreen, it is easy to zoom in or zoom out the navigation page. It is highly compatible with the classical Android Auto. Highly synchronized MirrorLink. Scroll down from the homepage to select AirPlay. Real-time mirroring. Unlock a new way to view the map, music, and video. If you want to end the MirrorLink, just need to cancel the AirPlay from your iPhone. Put in FM and AM. Sync Bluetooth page for hands-free phone calling. Convenient Bluetooth page for lossless sound playing. Fluent local media file reading functions. You can check the music, picture, and film. Multiple built-in settings for your choice. Colorful key light setting. Language backup camera setting. Boot up logo setting. EQ setting. Sound field setting, stereo learning setting. Thanks for watching. We are Binize.